Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Canon Pixma TS3752i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper. So take the power cable, go to the back of the printer, connect it to this port, plug it onto the socket, switch the printer on from this button, then the next thing to do is open up this cover and pull down the ink holder, pull it down, then take the ink cartridge. This is colored one. Remove this plastic, then you go in to the color, pull the holder up, do the same thing to the black, go in, pull the holder up, then close the cover. So once you load the ink, give the printer time. If you want to replace the ink, open the cover. You wait for the printer ink holder to position itself on the center. To replace the ink cartridges, use one of the finger, pull the ink holder, the blue color ink holder, pull it down. Then for you to remove the ink, if you want to put it back, this is black. Black goes to the right, the colored one goes to the left. Then pull up. Once the ink is on the center, pull the holder up, do the same thing to the color, pull it up, then close the cover. You wait for the printer to move and position the ink. Then you go on the screen, it will show you 0 to show you that the printer, and also show you A4. So this is how to replace the ink. Then we're going to load the paper, and if you look on the screen, it's showing us A4. So open the paper, real paper tray, then take the paper, go at the back, then adjust it. This is A4. So this is how to load the paper. If you want to load photo paper or 4x6 photo paper or 5x7, you need to make sure the smooth part need to face up. The rough part need to be at the back. And also you need to select this button to change to photo paper. If you look inside, you will see that it's showing us A4. So the paper we have here is A4 paper. This paper is A4 paper. But if you are loading different paper, so this is A4. So if you load the paper, then you select this button, it will change to particular paper. Let's say if you are using 4x6, if you select 4x6, once you load 4x6 photo paper, for example, then you select it from this button, the 4x6, then select OK to confirm it. It will show you 4x6. But the paper we have here is A4 paper. So you select this button to change the paper to A4. A4, then you select OK. So this is how to install the ink cartridges and also load the paper on Canon Pixma TS3752i. Thank you very much indeed.